Hello viewers of the Daily RV Life YouTube channel. Today, we bring you a comprehensive guide on how to check for propane leaks in your RV. Propane is a vital energy source for many appliances and systems in your recreational vehicle, but it's essential to ensure that there are no leaks that could potentially lead to safety hazards or loss of fuel. First and foremost, safety should always be a priority when dealing with propane in your RV. Before you begin the inspection process, make sure you have the necessary safety equipment, including gloves and protective eyewear. Now let's dive into the steps to check for propane leaks in your RV. 1. Start by turning off all propane-powered appliances and the main supply valve. This will ensure that there is no active propane flow during the inspection. 2. Next, grab a bottle of propane leak detector solution or a mixture of soapy water. This solution will help you identify any leaks by producing bubbles when applied to the suspected areas. 3. Carefully apply the solution to all connection points, joints, and fittings of the propane system. These include the regulator, valves, hoses, and connections leading to appliances such as the stove, fridge, or furnace. 4. As you apply the solution, observe closely for any bubbles or foaming. If you notice bubbles forming at any point, it indicates a propane leak. In such cases, it's crucial to address the issue before using any propane-powered appliances. 5. In addition to visual inspection, you can also use a propane leak detector tool, often referred to as a gas sniffer. This device detects the presence of propane in the air and emits an audible alarm when a leak is detected. Portable gas sniffers are readily available and can provide an extra layer of confidence during your inspection process. Remember, the smell of propane is distinctive, and if you notice a strong odor even before applying the solution, it's a clear indication of a leak. However, relying solely on your sense of smell is not foolproof, so using a leak detector solution or gas sniffer adds an extra level of assurance. Once you have completed the inspection and verified that there are no leaks, you can confidently turn on the propane supply valve and start using your appliances. We hope this guide has been informative and useful in helping you ensure the safety of your propane system in the RV. Happy camping and see you next time on the Daily RV Life YouTube channel.